Question 5b, we're going to solve this system by substitution. Notice that the first equation is already solved, so we should use that. We have this equation, 6x plus y is equal to negative 17. But we know that y, so let's erase the y, is actually the value of, right here, negative 2x minus 9. Okay? So, if we make that substitution, we see that it's 6x plus this stuff on the inside. Right? So we can combine some like terms. 6x and the 2x becomes 5x. And nothing happens to the negative 9, and we have a negative 17 on the right hand side. We add 9 to both sides. The left side does cancel, leaving you with a 5x. Negative 17 plus 9, that gets you an 8. Negative 8. Let's see if something went wrong here. Oh, haha, this did went wrong. It's not a 5, it's a 4. 6x minus 2x is a 4x. Okay? And then this neatly becomes a 4x because when I do negative 7 plus 9, it became a negative 8. Here we divide by the 4 to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with an x is equal to negative 2. We have x, but we want to have the y. So let's use the first equation here. We know what x is, so let's substitute in that value for x, and that x was negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2 times negative 2, which becomes a positive 4, minus 9. Y is equal to negative 5. So the solution would be the order pair of negative 2 comma negative 5.